Hey folks, another Aikens Ford new car dealer trade-in, fresh off the trade-in lot. We haven't even cleaned it or detailed it. This is exactly the way it was traded. We will most certainly clean it, detail it, we'll get it through the shop, fully service everything. What a nice Explorer. It is an XLT, but it has thousands and thousands of dollars worth of additional equipment and packages. You can see that on the bottom of my website. You can see the factory options. This thing, leather, panoramic roof, navigation package. It's got the advanced cruise control. Got a lot of stuff on it that most XLTs don't. So don't get twisted about the price until you investigate what's on this car. Bucket seats, third row. We just ordered 4 new tires for it today, so those will be on day after tomorrow, and we'll get this thing through the shop and it'll be ready to go. There are absolutely no issues with the car. It's not scratched or dented or dinged or ripped or torn. It's in great condition, but we'll go through it, change the fluids, trailering package, and make sure that you're ready to go. You don't have anything to do after you buy a car from me. It's ready to go, fully serviced, doesn't need anything. Sounds like the guy that pulled it up's in a country music frame of mind today. A little 99.3 it sounds like. Leather wrap wheel, automatic headlights, good cruise control. Great truck, fantastic price. We have financing available for great credit, mediocre credit, bad credit. Just give me a call on my cell anytime, Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Don't forget, if you go to my website, you'll see a lot more information than you will on Auto Trader or Car Gurus. Crash test ratings, articles written about the vehicle, the actual equipment, the options that the car came with from Ford, and a lot more. But give me a call anytime. I appreciate it. Have a great day.